Alright. So I've got the hiccups really bad. And I figured that the only way to get rid of them is to watch the scary Justin Bieber pop up. And so, here I go. I'm going to play it. Here it goes. Oh. Oh. This is quite pleasant.